Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi, and in previous sessions we have discussed about the zeros or roots of the polynomial, and today we are going to sort out some problems. The problem is to verify whether the followings are zeros, roots of the polynomial indicated against them. So that means that is the polynomial is given, and we have to check it whether the x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 are the roots of the polynomial or not. And the second case, the px is equal to 5x square minus 2, where x is equal to plus under root 2 upon under root 5 and comma 0. We have to check it both are the zeros of polynomial or not. And the last one is the px is equal to ax plus b, where x has been given out, and we have to check it whether this is a polynomial or not. Now see the solution. Part number 1, the polynomial is given. This is px is equal to 2x minus 1 into x minus 4, and we have to check it. If the x is equal to 1, let's check it first. X is equal to 1. If we put the value x is equal to 1 in the polynomial and it becomes 0, then it will be zeros or a root of the polynomial. Otherwise it is not a polynomial. Let's check it. This is p1 is equal to, that is 2 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 4. Now check, this is 2 into 1 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 4. Now this is 2 minus 1 1 into 1 minus 4 is minus 3, and this is the minus, and it has to be inside the bracket. So that's it. This is 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So it is not 0, is not 0 of polynomial, is not 0 of polynomial, because it is minus 3. If it is 0, then it will be the root of the polynomial. And part number 2, we will check it. This is this is a, this is second part, this one, that x is equal to this one 4. We have to check it. This x is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4, we have to put it, this is on polynomial. This is px is equal to 2x minus 1 into x minus 4. Now this is p4 is equal to, this is 2 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Now this is 8 minus 1 into 4 minus 4 is 0, and it is 7 into 0. This is equal to 0. Yes. Which one is the root? That is 4 is the root of the polynomial, but 1 is not the root of the polynomial. Just check this second problem, that is the b part. This is px is given, px is equal to 5x square minus 2, and we have to check it. The first, x is equal to root 5 upon root 2, root 5 upon, root 2 upon root 5, this is root 2 upon root 5. We have to check it. X is equal to, this is root 2 upon root 5. Now check this one. This p root 2 upon root 5 is equal to 5 into root 2 upon root 5 whole square minus 2. Now 5 into root 2 square is 2, and of root 5 square is 5 minus 2. Now check it. 5 into 2 upon 5, then 5 cancel out. This is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, that is the root of polynomial. Which one is the root of polynomial? This is root 2 upon root 5 is the root of polynomial, or a 0 of polynomial. And the second part, x is equal to 0. Now put this one, p0 is equal to 5 into 0 square minus 2. 5 into 0 square is 0 minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So it is not equal to 0. So it is not the root of the polynomial. See, we have the next third problem. Just check it. C part. That is, we have px is equal to ax plus b. This is px is equal to ax plus b, and we have to check it. X is equal to this one, minus b upon a. This is x is equal to minus b upon a. Let's check it. This is minus b upon a is equal to a into minus b upon a plus b. Then a cancel out, that is minus b plus b, minus b plus b cancel out, it is 0. Yes. So that means, look at this one. X is equal to 1 is not the 0 polynomial of first polynomial, and x is equal to 4. So that is 4 is the 0 polynomial, and under root 2 upon under root 5 is the 0 polynomial, and minus b upon 0 upon b upon a is the 0 polynomial of ax plus b. But 0 is not the 0 polynomial of second polynomial, that is 5 square minus 2, and 1 is not the polynomial of 2x minus 1, x minus 4. Okay, now see another problems. Here, find the 0 or a root of the polynomial. If the equation is given, a polynomial is given, we have to find out the zeros of the polynomial. Like this is solution, this is 1. We have, this is px is equal to 7x. Now, for what value of the x, this px becomes 0. To solve such type of problems, so we let this one, this is px is equal to 0. So we write this is 7x is equal to 0. So this implies that 7 is the multiple on left hand side, and right hand side it becomes the denominator. So 0 upon 7 is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to 0. It is the root of polynomial. Check the second part, students. That is px is equal to, this is mx minus n. Now it is px is equal to 0. This implies that mx minus n is equal to 0. This is mx is equal to n. M is the multiple of x on left hand side. This is x is equal to n upon m. So that means x is equal to n upon m is the 0 polynomial. And the last part, that is third part, that is C part. Basically this is C, and that is B part, and that is A part. Okay. The C part is px is equal to x square minus 1. So that means px is equal to 0. So this implies that x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x square is equal to 1 on the right hand side. Now this implies that x is equal to root 1 and x is equal to minus root 1. Check it, this one. If you put only x is equal to root 1, that is the 0 polynomial, this one. If I verify this one, let this is x is equal to, if I put root 1, so that means root 1 whole square is equal to, cancel out 1. If I put x is equal to minus root 1, so this implies that minus root 1 whole square is equal to minus root 1 into minus root 1, minus into minus plus root 1 into 1. This is 1. In both cases, if I put the x is equal to root 1, that is the 1. If I x is equal to minus root 1, so that is equal to 1. So there are two roots of this 0 or polynomial. We can find out easily, right? First we have to put the px is equal to 0, and in the next term, then px right hand value, we have to put this as 0, and x is equal to, we have to find out that the value of x, that value of x is